How to fix iPhone speaker not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix iPhone speaker not working. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first, you might need to check or might want to check your ringer button that is on your iPhone. So on your side here, you will find a ringer button right around here. So for the ringer's case and not just the button's case, you'll find something like this. So whenever your iPhone is on ring mode, it should be turned up as you can see there, and whenever it should be silent, it should be turned down, and you'll also find a red dot that will indicate that your iPhone is on silent. So make sure it's not on silent and it's on ring, and that's the first thing that you might want to check. After that, what you can do is go to your settings, and on your settings you can check for your Bluetooth. Make sure it's turned off. Sometimes unknowingly, whenever your Bluetooth is turned on, it might connect to any other speaker or any other earbuds, some other tools like that. So make sure that it's not that issue. After that, what you can do is come back to settings again, scroll down. There you'll see sounds and haptics. Tap on sounds and haptics and make sure your ringer and alerts are turned up all the way. You can also turn on haptics if you want. And after you've turned on the ringer all the way, you should be good. Now, if doing all that still does not fix your problem, what you might want to do is use a Q-tip or any other soft cloth to clean out your speakers. Sometimes any debris and obstructions might also be the problem that is causing this. Finally, you can try to restart your iPhone. To do that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then you can simply, just restart your iPhone and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, you might want to seek professional help by contacting Apple support service and simply just get your device fixed, because it might be a hardware related issue. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.